Let me say something uncomfortable. Most people in network marketing are not failing because of the company. They are failing because they start this business without any right skills. And today, I'll show you exactly what's missing. Watch till the end. This can save you months of confusion. Many beginners ask me one question again and again, that how can I earn online money if I don't have any own product and I don't have any experience? Confusion destroys confidence. So I have created a simple PDF where I explain 5 real ways people can earn passive income online without having any products and without having any experience. I'll share how to get it by the end of this video. Network marketing is shown like a shortcut business. Join today, earn tomorrow. But in reality, it's a skill based profession. No skills is equal to no income. And nobody tells beginners what skills actually matter. The first skill is clarity. Why are you doing this business? Who are you trying to help? What problems are you solving? Without clarity, people post randomly, message randomly, and even quit randomly. Clear people attract serious people. Skill number two, conversation, not pitching. Most people pitch too fast. Professionals ask questions, beginners explain plans, but professionals understand problems. When people feel understood, they will listen for sure. Skill number three, digital visibility. Let me be honest, if someone checks your profile today, what will they learn from you? No content means no credibility. You don't need to be famous, you need to be useful. By the way, this is exactly why I created that PDF. It doesn't sell dreams, it explains income models, not companies. So beginners stop jumping from one thing to another and finally understand how money is actually made online. Skill number four, emotional control. Seen messages, no replies, rejections. Emotionally weak people quit, but emotionally strong people improve their approach. Business is emotional control, not emotional reaction. Skill number five, self learning, most important. Most people depend on uplines. If upline disappears, they'll stop. Skillful people learn independently. They are not dependent on their uplines. That's why they earn more. Skill number six, daily execution, which is really important. Not motivation, not meetings, daily execution, small actions every single day. That's how skills compound. Now, if you are someone who wants to earn money online, but you don't have your own products, you don't have any experience, and you are tired of confusion, I have shared a free PDF in the description. It will explain 5 ultimate ways to earn passive income online without showing any fake income or shortcuts. Just read it calmly, understand the models first, then decide what suits you. The download link is in the description and comment passive once you have downloaded it. Subscribe to this channel for skills, clarity, and real guidance, not hype.